This is our session number 18. We are going to discuss about ellipse and ellipse command. First, let us discuss about what is the similarity between these two. Both are having center point, both are having radius, both are completely closed by 360 degrees. Okay. Then what is the difference between these two? Circle has a constant radius around 360 degree. Ellipse have a uniform radius around 360 degrees. Constant is different, uniform is different. So ellipse, each and every angle, the radius is keep on increasing in a uniform order. That is why we say ellipse has a uniform radius around 360 degrees. Okay, right. Let us discuss about the ellipse. To construct the ellipse, what we need a major axis, minor axis. Okay, so it is a oval shape object. Okay, so the major length is called as the major axis radius or diameter. The minimum length is called as a minor axis or minor diameter. This is the mathematical relation to construct the ellipse manually. Okay. Now let us discuss about some live example of these elliptical shape objects. Okay. American football, logos, planet orbits. Okay. So these are the example for the ellipse or we can say oval shapes. Okay. Right. Using this ellipse command, we can construct ellipse as well as elliptical arc. But in a circular shape, we have two commands, circle as well as arc. Okay. To get a circular arc, we go for separate command called arc. But to get the elliptical arc, we use the same command. There is options to draw the elliptical arc. Okay. Right. The difference between the major axis and minor axis. The major length may be a x-axis or may be a y-axis. Comparison between the x distance, y distance, which is maximum, that is called as major diameter or major axis. The another one is called as minor axis or we can say other axis. Okay, right. So there are plenty of methods to construct the ellipse. One is center, major axis, minor axis. Okay, right. So we are going to construct the ellipse by using first giving the center point and the major axis radius and another one is minor axis radius. By giving these 3 points, the major axis of the ellipse and the minor axis of the ellipse will be defined. Okay. Next method to construct the ellipse using major or minor axis diameter and other axis radius. Imagine you have an ellipse. Here we can take the major length is a major axis. So major axis diameter we given. The other axis diameter or radius if we give, the ellipse will be get constructed using these 3 data. So the major axis and the minor axis of the ellipse will be defined by these 2 data. The next method is rotation. What does it mean by rotation? So imagine you have a circle or disc. If you rotate this disc and circle, what will happen? You can see the different elliptical shape. So the how much angle we are going to rotate the particular disc or a circle, you will get the ellipse. Okay. Now I am going to construct the ellipse with the help of these 2 lines. So horizontal line has 50 mm, the vertical line has 10 mm. Okay. So this horizontal line I am going to consider as a major diameter because this is 50. So this one is radius 10 mm, that is the other axis. Okay. Or we can say minor axis radius. Okay. If I go for ellipse command, default it will ask the axis end point of ellipse. So axis means we are going to choose major or minor, depends on the points what you are going to give. Okay. So let me take this horizontal line, first end point. It is asking this other end point of axis. Other end point means on this axis, what is the other end point? So this is my other end point of the same axis. So given. See now we got the ellipse. So now the option is distance to other axis. So one axis I given. So it is asking the other axis. So this distance I can specify 10 mm. I can give directly or I can click here. Okay. So it's a simple way to construct the ellipse. Next ellipse. I'm going to choose the center option. Okay. Now I'm going to give this is my center of my ellipse. Then one axis end point. Okay. Then other axis end point. So major axis I given, minor axis I am going to give now. It's clear? Now Similar way, I'm going to construct the ellipse using center. This is my center point, one axis radius, other axis radius. Okay, right. Now I'm going to draw the ellipse. Okay, I'm going to choose center point. This is my center. Major axis I'm given. This is major axis diameter. Other axis distance I can give like this, or I can enter the distance 10 or 20. But I'm going to choose rotation. So now I'm going to give rotation 10. Okay, so this is 10-degree rotation. Again, I'm going to construct center. This is my center. Major axis end point. So major axis dia is given. Now other axis I'm going to give by rotation method. Rotation I'm going to give 30 degree. This is 30. Again ellipse I'm going to construct using major axis diameter given. Other axis I'm going to give by rotation method. I'm going to give now 60 degree. One more time rotation. Now I'm going to give 80 degree. Okay. See the difference here. The first one is 10 degree, 30 degree, then 60 degree, then 80 degree. Okay. What is happening? What is this? Imagine you have a circular ring or disc like this. Okay. Now you are going to rotate. Now this is vertical. That means now it is a 0 degree. If I rotate 10 degree, what shape you will get? This is elliptical shape. Okay. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90 you cannot give. If you give 90, it will become line. Okay. Just you are adjusting the other axis by rotating the disc or rotating the circle. This is what happening in the rotation option. Okay. Ellipse. Now I am going to construct the elliptical arc. So choose the arc option. As usual, we are going to construct the ellipse by using major axis diameter. Minor axis you can give the distance, or you can click this point, or you can give the rotation. Okay. Now I am going to give 15 is the other axis distance. Okay. Now you can see the option start angle. I am going to give start angle 0. So where is the start angle? Where you click the first point of your ellipse, that is your 0 degree. Okay. From here it going to start 10, 20, 30, 45, 60, 70, 90. Okay. This is the 90 degree of ellipse. Then 180 degree of ellipse, 270 degree of ellipse. How much angle of ellipse you need, that you can choose by end angle or included angle. If I give end angle, now this is considered to be a 0. If you give 270 degree, what will happen? So 0, 90, 180, 270. So up to 3/4 of ellipse you will get. Okay. Right. Again I am going to construct the elliptical arc. Okay. Now I am going to give the start point right side, major axis diameter, minor axis I am giving. Start angle I am going to choose 0. Okay. See here. So this is the first point I gave to construct the ellipse. So this is your 0 degree. From that point, like arc, ellipse will create in an anti-clockwise direction. From here, how much angle you need? Just if you go to the included angle, just if you give 180 degree, what will happen? From here 180 degree will be calculated. You will get the half of the ellipse. Okay. Right. By using the elliptical command, we are going to practice some exercise. Okay. So circle size is given, diameter 50. Using the diameter 50, ellipse I have to construct. The major axis of the ellipse is 50. The minor axis diameter is 20. Right. Let me construct the ellipse. Radius 25. I am going to draw panel, choosing the center option. I am going to choose the center point. Then major axis radius I chosen. Okay. Now other axis, how much this one? So total minor diameter is 20. So the radius will be 10 mm. Okay. Similar way I am going to construct the ellipse using axis end point. Okay. So this is the major axis. Okay. Then the minor axis. This is the axis end point. I am going to give distance is given. So I cannot choose rotation. So I am going to give the distance 10. Okay. Right. By this practice, I am going to give you some exercise. You have to practice this with the ellipse command. Then another live example is the representation of kitchen sink. Okay. Right. So this is end of session number 18. Next session we are going to discuss about the text and text command and text editing commands also. Okay, thank you.